This is a continuation of the video that I just had. You know, the first part? Yeah, I can't exceed 10 minutes right now. So. Thanks to the fact he was able to get rid of wind up kitten. Man, I love you. Well, I gotta put you first. Just to be clear, I had to stop the first video of the first part of this duel because I said it already. I had to have it with only 2 minutes left. When the private comes back, this is crazy. He's gonna banish me, isn't he? Remember Utopia? Is it Utopia? I'll just end the music for me. Is it Utopia? It's Utopia. The rather unfair crap I've been put up with during out this duel. I have to face 3 Exceed monsters. Rising Sun Slash. This guy is good. Holy crap. Now what am I supposed to do? Good game. So needless to say, I'm not exactly the best duelist. It happens. I mean, I had 63 wins, and probably a little bit more than twice the number that I already had. But that's just alright with me, because I believe that someday I'd be great. Rising Sun Slash. It's increased by 0. Is it because I never use the same deck?